welcome to Tiju's Academy, and this is Arya Devi. Today I am going to discuss about the action words which we are using in the speaking sub-test. Gather or find out. When we are seeing the patient for the first time, we should have to collect some more information from them. For that, we can use mainly two different kinds of statements. The first one is, could you please tell me the reason for your visit? Then the second one, could you please elaborate the incident, or could you please tell me actually what happened? Now, we have to confirm something with the patient. Mr. X, from your result, I can understand that your BP level is little bit elevated. Are you aware of that? Then the second one, if I am correct, you are here to seek some advice for the weight management with your GP's reference. The next action word is address. We are using this to collect the concerns from the parts of the patient. For that, we can use two different kinds of statements. The first one is, I can sense that something is bothering you. Is everything alright? And the second statement is, you seems to be really upset. Is everything fine? So, we have gathered the information, provided the confirmation, and addressed the concerns. Next, we have to reinforce the patient according to the scenario. Here, we are going to stress some relevant points from the context. And the statement would be like, Mr. X, I can understand your situation because you have already mentioned that you are a busy person and you are not getting enough time to do some physical activities. But in your present condition, it's a best thing to do some physical exercise in order to reduce your body weight. So I'm advising you to do that. Finally, we must have to reassure the patient. The purpose of the reassurance is to relieve the stress and anxiety of the patient. Here, we can use two different kinds of statements for that. The first statement is, I can reassure you that if you are making proper modifications in your lifestyle, it will bring a wide variety of changes in your life. The next statement is, Mr. X, there is nothing to worry about. You are in safe hands. If you follow the medications and the instructions properly, you will recover soon. So, gather, confirm, address, reinforce, and reassure. These are the 5 main action words which we are using in OET speaking. Thank you so much.